Look at this, 2002 Pontiac Trans Am NHRA Special Edition here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Only approximately 534 of those produced in 2002. And best of all, this one has a clean Carfax, one owner, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles at just a little over 1,300. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. Take a look at the condition of that paint. Looking good up here. It's what you'd expect with that kind of miles on it. The hood looks like it's literally wet. Take a look at this reflection coming off the sign on the back wall. Look at how clear that is. Now, if you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. This car is also going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. LS1 5.7 liter powered, and that is paired up with an automatic transmission on this particular car. Of course, the black exterior with ebony interior, leather bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, let you check out the interior a little bit closer. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. And as you could also see, a T-top car. It does come with floor mats that were over the floor mats in it. And then, of course, the sunshades for the T-tops are also included. Right now, the T-tops are locked in the rear hatch. Very slick system for storing those while you're actually able to drive the car. Take a look at the rear. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And, of course, we can assist with transportation. Big stock rear wing. Great aerodynamic look on this car. Limited slip, rear differential, 323 gears, and that NHRA special edition package is 1SH RPO codes. So you can see that on the RPO codes. It's on the door tag, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures as we look down the driver's side here. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. It's like they say out of the wrapper. All right, look closer at this interior. I'm going to get rid of that door trim in a second. As you can see there, power windows, locks, power mirrors, your modern amenities, power seat on the driver's side here, also a lumbar and bolster, controls on the side of the seat, electric rear hatch release is underneath the dash right there, fog lights, of course, steering wheel controls, tilt and cruise, AM, FM, CD player in this particular car. Under the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a look. I'm going to get you those exact miles. 1304, I think it is. There it is, 1304. Gauges work. No check engine lights, warning indicators, anything like that. Just that seatbelt light. I don't have that on. Still has the plastic protective coating over the clock and radio station readout there. Top of the dash, like new. Speaking of which, do we take a look at that seat close up? Take a look at that. Great condition. Again, what you'd expect. Clean Carfax, one owner, a little over 1,300 miles on it. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Good sounding car. I have not noticed any modifications on it, except for somebody did add an Ultima battery at a time when the battery would have been replaced. Let me pause this a second. We're going to pop the hood, let you check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. There's the underside of the hood. As clean as the rest of the car, and there it is. 5.7 liter LS1 power, paired up with that automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC's cold, nice, clean, and tidy. It's that Optima battery mentioned. Battery disconnect for if you have it in storage at any amount of time. This is a true collector's car. 2002 Pontiac Trans Am NHRA Special Edition. It's going to come with that 500-mile, 3-month warranty protection plan, may be extendable out to 10. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2002 Pontiac Trans Am. If you like black, you will like this car. Beautiful black paint and a black interior. Very good acceleration from this car. The odometer is showing 1,305 miles right now. Extremely low miles. And it feels like a new car. Everything appears to be working. Radio works good. Cruise is also working. We've got a nice smooth ride. Our brakes are working good. All the gauges are working. Automatic on the center console, so it's easy to drive. Leather seats, leather steering wheel. We've got controls on the steering. Our battery is charging at about 14. Fuel gauge is showing a third. Oil pressure about 50 or 60. And the temperature around 200 on the engine. Factory tachometer working well. Corner's really good. Doesn't lean in the corners. Really fun car to drive. We've got T-tops. Currently they are in to avoid some wind noise. Comfortable seating. Very nice. Lumbar support. Pontiac Trans Am from 2002 with extremely low miles. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.